Do you want to speak English fast? Are you stuck forming sentences when it's your turn to talk? You're not alone. Many learners understand English but freeze up when it's time to speak. Why? Because they overthink the structure. But guess what? We're about to fix that. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful methods to make English sentences faster without stress. But first, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's dive in. Number 1. Start small, think clear. Don't chase long, difficult sentences. Start short. Say, I eat rice, or he runs fast. Then build up. I eat rice every night with my family. This builds sentence muscle fast. Number 2. Practice real patterns. Use sentence templates. Subject plus verb plus object. They watch movies. Subject plus verb plus adjective. My bag is heavy. Subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun. She walks to school. Practice these often. Your brain will fill the blanks quickly. Number 3. Shadow fast speakers. Find a video or podcast. Pause it after one sentence and repeat exactly tone, rhythm, emotion. Example, I'm getting ready for work. Say it loud, match the speed. Do this 10 times daily and watch your brain sync up. Number 4. Speed question game. Ask yourself and answer out loud. Question, what's the weather like today? A. It's sunny and warm. Question, what did I eat for lunch? A. I had a sandwich and a cup of tea. This builds real-world fluency. Number 5. 1-minute sentence race. Set a timer. Choose a word, like phone. Now say, the phone is ringing. My phone is black. I use my phone to study. Try to make 5 to 10 quick sentences. It's fun and boosts speed. 6. Master smart phrases. Memorize simple, useful phrases. Let me think. I'm not sure about that. Can I help you? They save you when you're stuck. Say them often, and they'll roll off your tongue. 7. Talk about what you see. Look around you. Say, the window is open. I hear birds. The clock is ticking. Use real life to practice in real time. Your environment is your English class. 8. Think English, not translate. Translation slows you down. Instead of thinking, where is my pen, in your native language, go directly to, where is my pen, in English. Label items in your room. Say their names. Notebook, fan, wall. Soon, English becomes your default. 9. Tell tiny stories. Try this. This morning, I made tea. Then I checked my emails. After that, I went out for a walk. Later, stretch it. I made green tea because it helps me feel fresh. I checked my inbox and replied to urgent messages. Then I walked in the park for 30 minutes. This builds fluency and storytelling power. 10. Join the conversation. Practice live. Practicing alone is great, but with others, it's magic. Join our Telegram group, link in the description, and practice real conversation. Chat, share voice messages, ask questions. Every sentence you say is progress. Now it's your turn. Try these 10 techniques and tell us in the comments which one helped you the most. Speak every day, even if it's just one sentence. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need practice. Like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English lessons. See you in the next video, and don't stop talking.